In this video, I'll show you how to upload story on Instagram from PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. If you're on your laptop and you love to know how you can upload Instagram story from here on your laptop, head over to your Instagram, right? This is our Instagram. Just click on the three dotted icons at the top. Click on the more tools. Click on the developer tools, right? Once I've clicked on it, everything is going to change automatically. Now look right here, look at the top. Look here, you're gonna see your story, right? So if I click on my story, I can come on here, I can just upload this. I'll click on the open. I'll wait for it to load up, right? So I think here this is everything we need. So yeah, this is everything we need basically. So just click add to story, right? So you can see from here it's currently uploading. So once it has uploaded, finish, you're gonna see that our story will be uploaded, right? You can see your photo was added, right? So you can see right here your story, and I'm currently on my PC. This is how you can upload story on Instagram from PC. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. See you on the next one.